Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a different place right now. I'm actually at my friend's house, and I'm going to be unboxing this camera that I have here. It is an HD camera recorder, digital camera recorder. That's what it is. Okay, anyway, it comes in this box, so yeah, let's open it. And then it opens up like this, and then like this, and then like this. Okay. So the first thing in is this case that has the camera in it. And then there is this manual that you can read all about the camera and all of that stuff. Next thing I have is the charger. So I got it at Walmart, so they unraveled everything to make sure everything was in there, and I didn't put it back, which I don't know why. And then the next thing is this one. They stayed unraveled. I don't know what this is. You plug it into the TV so you can see the pictures that are on your camera. Yeah. Okay. So can you get me a block? Okay. I'm going to get a block, but while I'm getting the block, I'm going to be doing this. OMG! What's this? Oh. This is it. It's a nice black. Remember when you got this, you were like so excited. And it is a flip one, and you can like flip it, and yeah, you flip it around. You flip it around, and then you turn it on yourself, and that's how I do most of my videos. But now, I'm going to plug it in. So we're gonna have to kind of like move places. Oh, and you plug it into the block. I'm plugging it into the wall right now. Okay, we're gonna have to move places. Okay, I'm about to plug this bad boy in and see what happens. Shh. You know they can hear you, right? Okay, so then this light comes on. And it's red. And now I'm going to turn it. Oh, it says welcome. That's cute. Okay. And then it says waiting. Sorry, I'm like over here. It's because. Okay. How do you turn the camera around? Okay. Oh! It's cute. Not right now. Okay. How do you make a video? Oh, here's the whip. There we go. So I'm zooming in. This is nice camera quality. And then you zoom out. So now I'm going to figure out how to, okay. So I'm about to make a little tiny clip, so yeah. Hey guys, so I just got a new camera, and yeah, right now I'm filming my camera because, yeah, it's really nice. I can flip it around and show my face like this, and then I'm recording on here, so. Yeah, so now I'm going to flip it back to myself, and there I am. So, yeah, I have my hair up in a bun, and this is the camera. So, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And once again, there is a user manual. If you do not know how to use it, I will probably be reading that later on once I get used to it. So the question of the day is, are you a YouTuber and what do you use to make YouTube videos? I use my iPod. Alright guys, bye, peace.